Hi lovies! Welcome back to my channel, Missy Journals. Today I have a quick project share, if you will, to share with all of you guys. Now, I'm not going to take the credit for this. I want to give credit immediately where it's due. I was doing my Sunday thing, watching my videos while my husband watched his stupid shows. And I saw My Crafty Boutique. I will link her video either here, up here, or down in the doobly-doo, whatever I remember to do. But it's My Crafty Boutique. I saw her preparing for VR's video responses to some project shares that are going around, and I saw her have made one of these, and I was like, oh my god, they are so stinking cute. I have to make a few for myself. And I was even considering doing a project share with these because they're a fantastic way to send Happy Mail, but I'm just not sure I'm ready to jump into this stuff with the mess with COVID, and holidays are upon us, and they're already saying they're going to be overloaded with the elections, mail and all that stuff. So I'm just not sure if this is a great time to start, but I wanted to make them regardless. So now that I just blabbed, but again, I got this idea from My Crafty Boutique, and hers were adorable. She used her own digital kit that she created. Oh, they were so adorable. You have to go check out her video. So I was totally inspired by her to make these, but they're basically altered Dollar Tree pencil boxes. And I thought these were fantastic for journaling. My channel's mostly about journaling and paper crafting and stationery and all that stuff, but I thought these were fantastic because not only are these a great way to send other people who love stationery journaling, awesome pens, markers, Tombows, paintbrushes. You can even stick in some beautiful paintbrushes and acrylic paints and things, and like acrylic paint tubes or even watercolor tubes. But like I filled mine full of like all kinds of little crafty bits and seasonal things and stickers and all that kind of stuff. It's a great way to send happy mail, not meal. But they are so stinking cute. So I used a lot of Dollar Tree supplies. I got this wooden piece right here. It's a witch hat. I hauled all of this. I'll try to link the haul that I just did too, where I got this wooden piece from the DT. And then I got some, felt stickers from the DT and stuff. And then with that, I also did a Michael's haul where I picked up the Pinkaboo collection from Michael's, the Recollections Pinkaboo. So I used the paper pad, the paper out of this. I used this one, and I don't think the other one's featured here, but it's like little ghosts. And I got this adorable clear stamp set, and I stamped all of these and colored them in this morning with my Tombows, all, what do you want to call that, pastel colors. And I got the, dried flowers. Where are they? Here they are. Paper flowers and such. And I just had a good old time. And I have 2 more pencil cases. They're from Jot. $1. And this was such a brilliant idea to send happy mail back and forth to each other. So I think I'm also going to dabble a little bit and make a few of these for Christmas because I want to send these out to some people for happy mail. These would have made such a cute project share. I would have had a blast with these. I think all of you guys would have too, but I just don't know if it's something that we should dabble into just quite yet with everything that's going on. And even COVID, getting all mail from all different parts of the states and things of that nature. I just, I would hate to be liable if somebody got sick or something didn't get delivered or lost because the postal office is so overwhelmed with everything going on right now. So, blah, 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 blah. But did they turn out adorable? Oh my gosh, I had so much fun creating these. I even do some stickles. So this is the first one I made. This is the second one I made. And I even got, guys, just check out my haul. You'll see all of this, but this awesome yarn from the DT. I had so much fun. These are the stamps. This little piece was an ornament or something like that. I forget where I get this. I think I might have been gifted that. I know I was gifted this bow. This was a gift that I just redid. I love the paper. I stickled the little ghosty stamp that I colored in. I love how it shimmers. I added little spiders. I just think these turned out so stinking cute. And then of course I filled it full of like all kinds of goodies and fun things. There's all kinds of good stuff in there. And like I said, if you know that you're sending this to an avid journaler and someone who loves stationery, you could fill these up with so many cool pens, paintbrushes, paints, scissors, markers, Crayolas, and then like I said, or just goodies. Like I put a whole bunch of my goodies. And you can also get other stuff from the DT. Like I was even thinking like you could put some of these in here. These are like little lip glosses, but they're the perfect size to put in these boxes. Like I have this one, I have this watermelon one. They would fit in there. Of course, washi would fit in these pencil cases. So I mean, like, you can fill these pencil cases up with anything. It'd be an awesome way to send happy mail, and then you get to alter the whole thing according to whatever you guys are doing for your swap. So I just thought I'd jump on here and just blab at you for a few minutes and just show you these cute little creations that I made, totally inspired once again by my crafty boutique. I don't know if it was her original idea or if she got it off of somebody else, but she's the first person I seen make these. So if somebody else is the original creator and I'm not giving you credit, I apologize. She just happened to be the first one that I've seen make these. So I just think they're so stinking cute, guys. Altered pencil boxes. So you just turn something like that into that. Like, that is so brilliant. I wish I was the one who thought this up because it's so stinking cute. So I'm going to make a few more of these. I think I'm going to do a couple more Halloween, and then I think I'm going to dabble in finding some more to do for Christmas. Ugh, my finger. Do you ever that happen to you? I just painted my nails, and because I crafted all this morning using hot glue, yeah, ink and my nail polish all got chipped, so don't mind my yucky nail polish. But I think I'm going to make a few more Halloween, and I think I'm going to dabble too for Christmas. So you guys comment down below if you'd be interested in getting these for a giveaway, if you think that you would enter into a giveaway with all of this going on with COVID and, you know, the postal office and all that stuff. If, you know, because I would have to send it through the mail. Nobody in my home has been sick, but, you know, I still know there needs to be precautions and things like that taken. So before I actually do a giveaway, if you guys would just drop down in the Dropbox, you know, not the Dropbox, down in the comments and let me know that you'd be interested in a giveaway, I'm going to bang out a few more of these, and then I'll make another video giving them all the way because I don't want to keep these for myself. They're made for Happy Mail. So that's it for me. I'm not going to quit blabbing. Please comment down below, talk to me. And then just like I mentioned in my Dropbox, please drop down into my Dropbox and check out all of my social media links. And I do fun things on my Facebook group. And yeah, just join all the fun, guys, because the holiday season is upon us. And this is my favorite time to craft. And this is when I do all of my crafty fun things. So just let me know, though, if you guys would be interested in doing a giveaway, because I would love to do a giveaway with a few of these. I'll make probably 2 more Halloween and probably 4 Christmas as well, because I love them that much. So maybe, potentially, a giveaway is in our future. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for joining me today, guys, to look at some of the fun, crafty things that I've been working on today. I had a lot of fun. It was a fun way to spend my afternoon stamping and creating. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. As always, be blessed, and stay crafty, and journal what you love. Talk to you next time, guys.